police in Greater Noida, who were carrying out Operation Prahar to crack down on drug peddlers in the area, have said that they received a tip-off about weeds being cultivated inside an apartment. One person has been arrested and around 80 cannabis plants worth about 60 lakh rupees were seized as well.
एक राहुल चौधरी नाम का व्यक्ति है जो कि मूल रूप से मेरठ का रहने वाला है, उसको गिरफ्तार किया गया है। इसने एक ओजी प्लांट की फार्मिंग का सेटअप अपने फ्लैट में, जो कि बीटा में एक सोसाइटी है, वहाँ पे पैनोरमा सोसाइटी है, वहाँ पे सेटअप कर रखा था। ये ओजी प्लांट जो होता है, इससे वीड जो है एक्सट्रैक्ट होता है। इसने ये जो इसके सीड्स हैं, ये एक सीड्समैन करके एक वेबसाइट है जो कि एक फॉरेन बेस्ड कंपनी है, उससे मंगाता था पेपल के थ्रू पेमेंट करके। उसके बाद उन सीड्स को अपने ही फ्लैट में इंडोर में फार्म करता था। उसके लिए इसने पूरा सेटअप खाद का, पेस्टिसाइड्स, इंसेक्टिसाइड्स, वाटरिंग का पूरा बना रखा था। और एक प्लांट में जो लागत सारी चीजों की मिला के आ रही थी, इसको 5 to 6,000 की आ रही थी, जिसको 50 to 60,000 रुपीज में एक प्लांट को ये डार्क वेब पे अलग अलग चैट रूम्स में जाके इसने कुछ सेल भी किए हैं और आगे भी ये डार्क वेब पे ही सेल करता था।
Let's now go across to my colleague Priyank Tripathi joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Priyank, give us more details about how this entire thing really worked, because we just heard the cops really saying that how easy it was for this particular man to procure the seeds and also then sell, the produce through dark web as well.
This particular individual, who is a Meerut-based businessman, was unemployed, and he certainly thought about this unique modus operandi which was certainly operating on the dark web. All he had to do is procure all these equipment from multiple online websites, and that was the reason because of which he managed to make a plant inside his house. You'll be amazed to know that he had also set up a solar lighting setup which was giving solar energy to these plants. The sunlight was reaching to all these rooms, and the AC temperature was set up in such a manner that the plants could grow up very fast. So it was approximately taking him 100 days of time period to grow up one plant, and that was sold on social media platform through dark web. But what police is also saying that by growing these plants, he was investing approximately around 5 to 6,000 rupees, and for selling it on dark web, he was getting approximately around 60,000 rupees. So that was the kind of modus operandi which this particular individual was using, and because of which he was running this illegal factory, the plant factory, which he had made inside his house. The most shocking thing is that everything was made in a very high-profile, high-rise society in Sector Beta 2 of Greater Noida, which was certainly not under the police radar. Suddenly, the police got a specific information on the basis of which they carried out raid, and what they saw was also shocking for them, because all they could see in the house is the air conditions being switched on and multiple plants being planted by this individual, which was being sold on the dark web.
Well, it's quite intriguing, Priyank, to really look at these visuals as well. I mean, it looks like a very sophisticated operation that was indeed going on in this rented flat, if I'm not wrong, where this man was, cultivating, using a very elaborate cultivation system as well, using planters and controlling the air conditioning as well. Can you tell us a little bit about, since how long was he into it, and, what happens next in this case now?
See, this individual is graduated from English Honours, so obviously he did not have that kind of technical knowledge. All he could learn was on social media platform and through dark web. So he suddenly started purchasing these seeds, and he thought about a location where he can set up a proper environment so that the plants can grow faster and in an appropriate manner, so that the value of the plants could be better in the grey market. Then he took this particular house on rent, and what we have got to note that approximately he was taking 100 days of time period to grow a plant in such a length so that it can be sold on the dark web. The seeds were procured through foreign companies, which was also available on the dark web, so he got those seeds. And to create an environment where the temperature should be adjusted, just the manner in which you have it in Mexico. And then he was also using multiple plates to circulate and channelize the solar energy inside the room so that the plants can grow on a normal normal temperature.
Right.
So this particular thing he learned through social media platform and through dark web, and that was being used by him to make these plants grow, and that was being sold approximately around 50 to 60,000 rupees per plant on dark web.
All right, Priyank, thank you very much for the moment for joining us with all of those details. And look at these visuals, viewers. This man, how he had set up a very sophisticated operation inside a rented apartment. And as Priyank was telling us, he had studied English honors. He learned how to really do this via social media. And he set up this elaborate cultivation system as well using planters. And now he has been arrested. He lived in Greater Noida. This is illegal cultivation that was happening inside his rented apartment. The accused, Rahul Chaudhary, in fact, had set up this entire system, and he was doing it for quite some time now. And now we'll see what happens in this particular case next. But this is an important story that we've got for you from Greater Noida in Uttar Pradesh.